In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw shapes in Microsoft Word. Adding shapes to your document is a simple and effective way to create diagrams, highlight important content, or make your reports and presentations more visually appealing. Word provides a variety of shapes, from basic rectangles and circles to arrows, stars, and callouts, giving you plenty of flexibility for design and layout. To start, open the Word document where you want to insert a shape. Click anywhere on the page to place the shape in the desired location. Next, go to the Insert tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. In the Illustrations group, click on Shapes. A menu will appear displaying a wide variety of shape options, including lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, equation shapes, flowchart symbols, and callouts. Select the shape you want by clicking on it. Once selected, your cursor will change to a crosshair. Click and drag on the page to draw the shape. The size of the shape depends on how far you drag the cursor. If you want to draw a perfect square or circle, hold down the Shift key while dragging. This ensures the shape maintains equal dimensions. After inserting the shape, you can customize it using the Shape Format tab, which appears when the shape is selected. From here, you can change the fill color, add an outline, adjust the thickness of the border, or apply effects like shadows, reflections, or 3D formatting. You can also resize the shape by clicking and dragging the handles on the corners or sides and move it around the page to position it exactly where you want. For more advanced adjustments, right-click the shape and select Format Shape. This opens a detailed menu with options for fill, line, effects, and size. You can create transparent fills, gradient colors, or adjust the rotation and alignment to match your layout perfectly. Combining multiple shapes can help you build diagrams, flowcharts, or creative designs directly within Word. Drawing shapes in Word is a powerful way to visually organize information, emphasize key points, and make your documents look professional and engaging. With practice, you can quickly add and customize shapes to enhance any type of document. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.